Today we learn the tutorial of 2 channels remote here. First we need to pair code of first motor. Long press the motor setting button until the light is on here. Turn on the remote switch, then press P2 button here. Then match code with second motor, long press the setting button here. Then press the other P2 button here. Open the first curtain here. Pause the curtain here. Open the second curtain here. Pause the curtain here. Next we learn how to change the direction of the motor. Press the setting button once, release the button here. And press the setting button for 5 seconds here. Indicator light flashes 3 times here. It changed the direction successfully. Now the control of open and close is opposite here. Last, we demonstrate the decode tutorial here. Long press the first motor setting button until the light on here. Press the setting button for 5 seconds, the indicator flashes for 3 times and then turn off here. Then decode successfully here. The second motor also operates as same here. Now the remote can't control the curtains here.